Daisy Dizzy do. You being a good girl. You protecting the house. What's that?
Hello, Stanley.
What you doing? You don't look like a big scary dog. Oh, being attacked. What's that? What's that?
Oh, Stanley, get down.
Good boy. What you doing, Diz? What you two doing? What? What's that noise? What's that? Did you find your hole, Daisy? What's that?